So for me, I try to think of patients the way that I would want my family to be treated. And so we always try to look at the person first, take the pathology that they come in with as a secondary thing, and then try to marry the two and try to come up with the best plan of treatment that will get them back to the level of activity that they desire. So it's really a comprehensive type of approach to care, because an athlete or even the weekend warrior, they have many different issues that might keep them from participating in a particular sport or activity. And so our job is to find, okay, what are those obstacles and how can we address those best to get them back into that activity? One of the fortunate things that we're able to do here is also clinical research. So we have the ability to use technologies sometimes that aren't even on the market at the time. And so it's a really unique kind of perspective and opportunity that we have to provide a care for patients that they oftentimes wouldn't find in most places in the country. One of the things we pride ourselves within the Norton Sports Health program is not only providing cutting edge education, research, and treatments when a patient has an injury, but we also are very involved in the prevention of injuries within the community. We have one of the best concussion management specialists really in the nation. And he's involved in anything from the NFL to the NCAA and all the way through our high school sports and youth sports. So to have a resource like that is truly unique, and we're very fortunate. I think that most people will find that we've got an expert in every area of orthopedics and sports health in general, and that we're providing the best possible techniques and procedures to treat those problems and also to recover the athlete and get them back on the field of play. When we started Norton Sports Health, we kind of had a vision in mind. And so we started working with some of our partners in the community, doing athletic trainers in the schools, which was a huge step forward in providing point of care to the athletes. Basically speeding up the treatment evaluation of those athletes if their injury would occur and getting them back into their activity. Being able to get them treated through the entire recovery process and back on the field of play, and having one of those athletes when you're at a game come by and give you a big hug or a high five and say, "Thanks, Dr. Krupp, you're the best." There's no feeling like it.